problem. How are you? You alright? Yeah?
Yeah, I'm a 5'2".
Very nice, huh? Smash though. Where do you go? Fucked in the ass, do you? Idiot. How are you? He's sick. Straight down, yeah? Straight down. Straight down. Sorry? Your backlight doesn't work. The backlight doesn't work. You speak French? Elle marche quand vous vous arrêtez, elle marche, mais sinon elle marche pas. Send us postcard. I'll send it to you on... Je te l'envoie par le machin. Ah, fuck you. Look at those fucking cars. What the fuck? Nice one, guys. Very nice. Give me your money. Have a good night.
She got a big booty, so I call her big booty. Skirt, skirt, wrist.
Your indicator is on, so we don't know where you're going. Your indicator was on, is on, so we don't know where you're going. Have a good day.
When I met you in the summer, tomorrow.
You like? Yeah. Yeah? Very nice? Yeah. New? No. It's 5 years old. New. New! New! No, 5 years old. Fucking sick, you know?
Come on, let's go, Peter.
Wait. You wanna get on? It's gonna be tight. Oh, fuck's sake. Michael, find me a place. Push the bike, Michael. Push the bike. Push the bike. No, I'm joking. Fucking tight bitch. Not you. Well, actually, you might. I'm sorry, officer. You wanna race? Let's race. Race. I'm winning. I'm winning. I'm gonna get stopped. I'm gonna lose my fucking license. They're coming on my right. They're coming on my right. I'm in trouble. It wasn't me. They're gonna shoot me. Oh no! I was joking. It's not me. No money, easy money, no? No easy.
Fuck you.
Fuck me?
Yeah.
Oh, you want? Okay, fine. Do it.
I wanna fuck you. You already know I wanna fuck you. You already know. Many thoughts on my mind, I can't sleep at night, so I just keep writing. I don't need no help, I don't need opinions, so don't waste my time then. I just been living online, my city don't show me no love and that's fine. Fuck local radio stations, I got more plays than all of these rappers combined. I'm going again, I've been going in, I'm fed up with so many things. I gotta just let it all out, I'm talking about the shit they've been talking about. Telling me I should do this, telling me I should do that. Telling me things about rap. Talking the truth and that stab in my back, they will knock me off track. No, too many things have been building, been hard to deal with, I just been drinking. Remember my